4, 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 go! Watch out! Cover your side! Keep hauling. Shot, get down. Go in full auto.
Going south, up on the hill! Up on the hill, move
This
out!
here?
Straight out! Don't flush through!
Watch out! Ready? See where they're going? We're gonna make a run for it. 3, 2, 1, go! They're in semi-auto, remember? This is the pathway. Cover me. Fire. Okay. Up on the hill! Up on the hill! Hit! I'm hit. Don't let them get through. Man, they got us trapped back here.
That was so not worth running. I got smacked.
Okay, you here?
Okay. Mira's there.
Hey, Cameron. Cameron, is that you? Yeah. I'm going to center. Right here.
What did she do?
Right there in the bushes. We got you covered, Logan. Logan. Shot.
Somebody about 200 yards down.
Yeah, I see him.
How far? About 200 yards.
Oh, he's moving up, You ready to fire, okay? Ready? Yes. Try and move up and check it out.
Where is he?
5. Okay, I'm gonna release that clip in 5, 4, 3, 2. Move up to the bushes up there. 1, go, now! Oh, it's so freaking cold. Okay, oh, I still got ammunition, okay. Down.
Well, I'm out.
A hit.
I'm out.
I'm loading, cover me.
Okay, I'm
Ow, shit. Get up here, get up here, get up here.
Hey, shut.
Behind the wood, behind the wood.
You guys have an idea. I have an idea, you guys. This is gonna be really dangerous. Okay. What I want you guys to do in just a second here is I'm gonna have you guys all start firing all at the same time, okay? I'm gonna run up there to the wood, get behind there and fire them, okay? Ready? You guys ready?
3,
2,
1,
go!
Bang, 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 bang. Got him! Move up, move up, move up! Move up! Move up, get up, get up here, get up, go, 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 go! You guys all up here?
Right here.
Okay. Get somebody across the way. I'm gonna get across the way, okay? Hold me. Crap. You guys. Behind any lights. Bang bang! Bang 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 bang!
Oh, you're not.
Bang bang!
You need to be within 10 feet.
Oh. Okay, I'm hit.
Oh, shit.
That was within 10 feet?
No, it was like 20. You're way down there, dude. You're gonna bang bang. You need to run up on it. It's cool.
Okay.
I had to dead drop on you too.
Yeah.
Good job.
Why am I dry firing? What the fuck? It has ammunition. What the hell? Dude, that was freaking lame. I was dry firing the entire time.
I know.
I don't know why the hell my ammunition isn't firing. You see why I started firing at them and everything before I said bang bang? The only reason I said bang bang is because my gun was not firing. Dude, I was like, what the hell? Okay, we took the entire bomb side. We're all the way down at their base on the bomb side.
They're not there anymore.
There's nobody at the bomb side. There's nobody at the bottom side whatsoever. You can flank them.
Yeah, me and you the only ones that was smart enough to take them.
Dude, at one point when I ran with the handgun, that was awesome.
I know.
Like whenever I started firing, I was like, let's go, 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 he's gonna pop up. I was just like, bang, bang. That was awesome.
It would be good if we were only.
Dude, that was like 10 feet, huh?
Uh-huh.
That was not even close to 20 feet.
I was about to shoot, but you won't wait.
I should just get a ruler and show them that was 10 feet. That was not even close to 20 feet.
That was like 8 feet.
I know, that was like literally 7 to 8 feet.
Dude, I think they're really back.
They really need to work on their distance timing. What's called? I come up behind them and I start banging bang and they're like, that's 20 feet, that's not 10 feet. I'm like, and they start spraying me down. I'm like, what the heck? That was 10 feet. And it was like from here to there. That's like 10 feet. I can just spray them and it's like, what the heck? Next time I'm just gonna spray them. That's retarded. That was so freaking retarded. Kevin's pistol isn't hurt at all. Oh, geez, dude, look at this. That was from the pistol shot.
I got one on my neck. From a sniper.
Yeah. Okay, come on, that was freaking retarded. Okay, well now I think they pulled back forward on the bottom part. I think we lost our position. Let's go check.
I think they retook it.
Yeah, we lost our position. Why the heck did they move back and everything? Why the heck did our team move back? Dude?
I see them.
Yeah, I see him. Watch out, this Kevin. Get back, he has a sniper rifle. You guys hurry, run, we need backup.
Where's your pistol?
Huh?
Where's your pistol? It was over there, but it... Oh, okay.
Wait, oh, my Desert Eagle?
No, your revolver.
My revolver, yes, I'm saying.
Alright.
Where is that?
I don't know, I saw it laying down there and I only found the tip.
I think I dropped it.
What? There's a guy in the...
Why am I not firing? What the hell? Dude, they're afraid of my dry firing. Ready? You ready for this? They're freaking afraid of this clip because this gun is like freaking scary. Ready? Is that an enemy?
Nope.
Okay. Ready? Move it to the barricades in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. I'm out. Okay. Go. Oh my god. The mags weren't firing because my spring wasn't loaded, damn it! Yeah, I know. Dude, my mags aren't firing because my springs aren't loaded.
Hit!
Cover me.